I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to draw reflex angles. What are reflex angles? Well, reflex angles are angles which are more than how much? Can you tell me that? So these numbers are greater than 180 degrees, right? So these angles are reflex angles. To show you some examples, these angles could be kind of like this. So what is the reflex angle? The angle greater than 180 degrees, kind of like this. Do you see that? Or even like this, right? So these are reflex angles, angles greater than 180 degrees. Now the question is how to sketch these angles. For example, if I have to sketch an angle ABC, let's say if I have to sketch an angle ABC whose measurement is 200 degrees, how will I do it? That is the question for you. Think about it. Well, 200 degrees is more than 180. So if I'm using normal protractor like this, I could do maximum 180. How will I do or sketch an angle of 200 degrees? What we notice is that 200 is 20 more than 180, right? So 200 degrees is 20 degrees more than 180 degrees, correct? As you know, 200 take away 180 is equals to 20. Now that statement helps to sketch reflex angle whose measurement is 200 degrees. And let me show you how. So first, let's draw a straight horizontal line. This horizontal line with a point somewhere in between, right? We know horizontal line is 180. If I kind of extend and get some angle on this side, which is equals to 20 degrees, then I'll be in a position to sketch 200 degrees. So align the horizontal line with your protractor and see where is 20. 20 is this, and that is when you put it upside down. So put your protractor upside down, and that's 20. Join this point, correct? So when you join this line, you can always draw an arrow indicating it's a ray, right? So this ray is moving. This is the initial arm, and that angle, which is 180 degrees plus 20, you get 200 degrees. Let's label it ABC. So point A is on the initial arm, point B is the vertex, and point C is on the terminal arm. So this angle is the angle 200 degrees. Do you get an idea? So that is how you can sketch an angle which is a reflex angle. Let's take another example. This time we will sketch an angle, let's say PQR, whose measurement is 300 degrees. Now 300 degrees is how much more than 180, a straight line. So we say 300 take away 180, we are working in degrees, is equals to 0 take away 0 is 0. And then when you take away 8 from 10, borrow 1, we get 2. And 2 take away 1 is 120 degrees, right? So this time, the angle is 120 degrees more than 180. So let's do it. So we'll again sketch a horizontal line as we did last time, right? So let's sketch a horizontal line, okay? Mark a center. Let's say somewhere, this point, that becomes Q, right? Place your protractor and find where is 120. Now we go from this 0, this 120 is somewhere here. So I'm marking that. You may not be able to see it, but anyway, that is around 120, more than 180, right? So when you extend, then you get an angle which in all is 300 degrees. Do you see that? That's angle. This angle is 180 degrees plus 120 degrees, and that give you 300 degrees, correct? So this angle is the angle PQR. So we can take a point P here. Q will be right there at the vertex, and QR will be on the terminal arm. So this angle PQR is 120 degrees, right? Now as an exercise for you, you have a question. Find this angle. What should be the measurement of this angle? And in that case, what should be the measurement of the angle this side, right? This angle. So you can find the measurement of these two angles using the property that one full circle is how many degrees? One full circle is 360 degrees, right? I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always subscribe and share my videos. Thank you and all the best.